Why choose affordable gymnastic rings?
Gymnastic rings offer a versatile and effective workout for all fitness levels. Affordable options make it easy to add these dynamic tools to your home gym without breaking the bank. Rings can improve strength, stability, and coordination. Even at lower prices, many gymnastic rings are made from durable plastic or wood, suitable for both beginners and advanced users. They're compact and adaptable for small spaces.
How to set up gymnastic rings at home.
Setting up gymnastic rings is simple and requires minimal equipment. First, find a sturdy overhead anchor point, such as a pull-up bar, exposed beam, or playground structure. Secure the rings using the adjustable straps, making sure the buckles are tight. Hang the rings at your preferred height. Shoulder level is common for most exercises. Always check for stability and clearance before starting your workout.
Beginner-friendly exercises with rings.
Start with basic movements to build confidence and strength. Try ring rows by leaning back and pulling your chest toward the rings, or ring push-ups with your hands on the rings. These exercises engage more muscles by challenging stability. Focus on slow, controlled motions and proper form. As you progress, you can increase difficulty by adjusting ring height or your body angle.
Tips for effective home workouts.
Consistency is key for progress with gymnastic rings. Schedule regular sessions and set realistic goals. Warm up thoroughly to protect your joints and muscles. Use a mat beneath your exercise area for added safety. Maintain good form and focus on gradual improvements. Affordable rings can last a long time with basic care. Regularly check straps and anchors for wear and tear.
Maximizing your investment in home fitness.
The affordable gymnastic rings make home workouts accessible and rewarding. By investing in budget-friendly equipment and learning proper setup, you expand your exercise options without needing a full gym. Whether your goal is building strength, improving body control, or adding variety, gymnastic rings can enhance your fitness routine. Explore new exercises and enjoy the benefits of functional training at home.